masarap yung may ibang service, hindi lang sa as music minister.
Kasi kung music ministry ka, the Lord is developing, you as a person, letting you discover your talents, hanggang saan ka, and then yung passion mo, and then yung spiritual growth mo, ikaw lang yun. Diba? And for a long time, we were just music ministry members. We were just musicians. Yun at yun parate, no? And finally, when we were in a service na kasama namin mga leaders, sinabihan kami, Brother Gabby and Sister Lily, bibiyahan namin kayong chapter. So sabi namin, kailan po? Hindi na kami nagsabi na, aalis po kami sa music ministry kung tatanggapin namin. Another really very, very new service for us. Hindi namin alam kung paano magiging chapter head. Pag nag-serve ka sa chapter or you are already serving other people, it's you giving inspiration to other people. Letting them feel your love and the love of the Lord. Yun yung challenge. Pagka nasa music ministry ka, baka pagmamahal mo lang sa sarili mo yung nararamdaman mo eh. That is where the Lord really taught us how to be more persevering sa service, be more loving, and hindi ko masasabing humble kasi proud pa rin naman ako. But the Lord is teaching us to be humble sa ibang service.